Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the camera app, and first of all we have to make sure that we are on the photo mode, because the settings, which we will enter later on, are tightly connected with the video or the picture. So we have to make sure that we are on the picture, just tap on it, and now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. On the third position we've got the self timer, so let's tap, and as you can see we've got three different options connected to the timer. We can keep it turned off, and this option is currently applied, or we can set to or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. We just immediately got back to the settings. As you can see, it is notified right here, so we can go back again. What's more, here in this small font we've got the 10 seconds, which will show us that we've got the timer set. So after tapping on the shutter button, you can see that your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, the same situation will be with 2 seconds delay, but it will count down from 2. You can turn it off whenever you want to. Just go back here and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.